Ano-ano nga ba ang mga advantages of getting a VUL plan? First, dual purpose wherein meron kang protection plus savings. A VUL plan gives you the best of both worlds, wherein you're saving for your future goals, education plan for your kids, savings for your dream retirement, o kaya naman mga big goals mo in life, habang protected ka ng life insurance. Remember, when you get a life insurance plan for yourself, you're not doing that for you. You're doing that for your family members na if ever may mangyari, may marireceive silang death benefit to transition to the life without you. At maisakatuparan ang pangarap mo para sa pamilya mo. So naisip mo, paano naman yung para sa sarili mo? So kaya ako kumuha ng VUL plan. May savings component ito, tas may life insurance wherein kahit na single ka, hindi ka breadwinner, halos kakagraduate mo pa lang, Gen Z, meron kang savings na maitatabi for the future, lalong-lalo na kung gusto mo, may insurance ka para in case something happened, merong matatanggap yung family mo. Also, meron kang critical illness coverage, accident, kung yun yung gusto mong mga benefits. Second, customizable yung plan na to para ma-fit sa goals mo. Every person has different needs. Merong iba gusto malaki ang life insurance, so in case of death ng member na kumuha ng plan, may matatanggap yung family. Yung iba naman gusto malaki yung critical illness or health protection. Para pag na-diagnose ng cancer, stroke, heart attack, hindi sila mamroblema ng sobra-sobra, hindi magagalaw yung bank savings for the cost of hospitalization, treatment, and recovery. Yung iba naman, merong accident na coverage ang gusto for the reason na pwedeng risky yung kanilang trabaho o kaya naman hindi natin alam kung kailan mag-strike yung accidents na yon, lalo lagi tayong lumalabas. O yung iba naman, more on savings ang gusto. With a VUL plan, yung mga nabanggit kong benefits na yon, you can customize. Pwede mong ilagay kung ano yung gusto mong sa plan mo. Pwede rin dito yung option para mag-top up. Yung top up, ito yung additional na hulog mo on top yung regular mo na premium or binabayaran sa plan. So sa amin sa AIA Philippines, minimum 1,000 pesos, pwede ka na mag-top up para mapalaki pa yung future savings mo na pwedeng gamitin to fund for your goals. So ang top up ay pwedeng gawin anytime na gusto mo. Contact mo lang yung AIA Life Planner mo or financial advisor para matulungan ka nila. Third, potential long-term growth. Part of your premium goes to investment wherein nabibigyan ng opportunity yung money mo to grow over time. You can have access to these funds para i-fund yung pangarap mo na retirement, education para sa anak mo, or savings goal for your big purchases. Kaya ang life insurance, hindi lang siya pag may namatay, dun lang may makukuha. It's also a smart financial tool.